Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup elements in Canva, a simple yet powerful trick that can make your design workflow way smoother. Whether you're juggling multiple shapes, text boxes, or images, mastering this feature will save you time and effort. Let's start with grouping elements. Grouping is perfect when you want to treat multiple items as a single unit. This makes moving, resizing, or formatting them a breeze. First, highlight all the elements you want to group by clicking and dragging your mouse to create a selection box around them. Think of it like drawing a rectangle over everything you want to include. Once selected, look for the Group button on your toolbar, usually at the top or side of Canva. Click it and you'll see the outline around your items change, meaning they're now treated as one. From here, you can move, resize, or style everything together without affecting the individual pieces. And don't worry, you can still access each element inside the group if you need to tweak something later. Now, what about ungrouping? Sometimes you'll need to edit items individually. Simply click on your grouped elements to select them, then hit the ungroup button on the same toolbar. Instantly, your elements return to their original, separate state, giving you full control to adjust each one independently. By mastering grouping and ungrouping, you'll not only stay organized, but also speed up your design process. Whether it's marketing materials, social media posts, or personal projects, these steps help you work smarter, not harder. Give it a try, and soon you'll handle even the most complex Canva designs with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.